Today you'll take your vocabulary quiz for week 4 in language arts. Be sure to put your name at the top of the page and put your class number in the upper right-hand corner. Here's the words that we're going to focus on in this quiz. I'm going to read in the rows from left to right. Allege, magnet, despite, row 2. Climate, swelter. Row 3, wean, transpire, conceal. Bottom row, lollygag, and shoddy. Here's your definitions. Number 1. First word's an adjective. It means of poor quality or made poorly. Can also mean a person's dishonest, if you call a person this. Number 2, this is a noun. It refers to weather conditions or typical weather for an area. It can also refer to an attitude. Number 3, this word's a noun. It means in spite of or notwithstanding. Number 4, this word is a verb. It means to keep from being seen, to put out of sight, or hidden. Number 5, this word's a noun. It's a rich, powerful, or successful business person. Number 6, this word's a verb. It means to fool around or dawdle. Number 7, this word's a verb. It means to become exceedingly hot. Number 8, this word's a verb. It means to withdraw from any type of habit. Usually we talk about, well, no, I guess it doesn't necessarily mean to be a bad habit. Number 9, this is a verb. It means to state or accuse without showing any proof. And number 10, this is a verb. It just means to happen or to become known. For numbers 11 to 15, choose any 5 vocabulary words from this week's list. Choose carefully. Make sure it's words that you are confident you know the definitions to. And write sentences on the back of your paper that show that you know the meaning of the word. Use it in context. Do not define it in the sentence. Then you need to be sure that you underline each vocabulary word in their sentences, and make sure that you have capitalization at the beginning of your sentences and punctuation at the end.